Planning for your visit to the doctor is essential. Make a list of symptoms and questions you want to ask. Arriving at the clinic, check in at the reception. Provide your name and any necessary identification or insurance details. While waiting, observe the environment. Familiarize yourself with the layout and listen for your name to be called. Once your name is called, follow the nurse to the examination room. It's okay to feel nervous, take a deep breath. In the room, the doctor will greet you and introduce themselves. A friendly smile can help ease your anxiety. Be prepared to describe your symptoms clearly. Use straightforward language to explain how you have been feeling. If you have any medical history or allergies, inform the doctor. This information is crucial for accurate diagnosis. The doctor may ask questions to understand your condition better. Answer honestly and provide as much detail as possible. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if you don't understand something. It's important to feel confident in the discussion. After the examination, the doctor will explain the diagnosis and possible treatment options. Take notes if needed. If a prescription is given, ask the doctor to explain how and when to take the medication correctly. Before leaving, make sure you understand any follow-up appointments or tests needed. Clarify anything if unsure. Thank the doctor and the staff for their assistance. A little gratitude goes a long way in building relationships. As you leave, take a moment to reflect on the visit. It's a step towards better health and understanding your needs.